Your lungs are not made of plastic bricks that you can just snap back into place in a single afternoon. If you have been scrolling through your feed lately, you have definitely seen those slick videos promising to rebuild your entire respiratory system in exactly 17 hours. It is such a specific number, right? 17 hours. Not a day, not a week, but less than 24 hours to undo years of damage. At the center of this storm is a product called Lungvita, and it is a textbook case of how modern marketing can take a grain of truth and stretch it until it snaps. Let us look at what is actually in that little glass bottle. Most of these formulas use mullein leaf or similar herbs suspended in glycerin. These are old school remedies. People have used them for generations to help clear out a little mucus or feel a bit more open when they have a common cold. That part is fine. It is gentle. It is mild. But here is the massive red flag. No herbal supplement on the planet is legally allowed to say it cures a chronic disease. Not one. Real companies know this. They put disclaimers on their labels because the law requires it. Lungvita is not playing by those rules. They are positioning this as a medical breakthrough that replaces actual treatment. To sell that lie, they are using some of the most sophisticated tricks in the book. Those videos you see featuring tech billionaires or famous health advocates are total fabrications. They are deep fakes. The voices are cloned by computers. The mouth movements are stitched together to make it look like a secret interview is being leaked to the public. None of those people ever said those words. It is a digital puppet show designed to steal your trust. It is incredibly convincing if you are not looking for the seams. The lighting looks right. The tone of voice sounds urgent. But it is all fake. You are not buying a scientific revolution. You are paying a massive markup for a story that was generated by an algorithm. Look at the price tag for a second. You can find high-quality mullein drops from a reputable health store for a fraction of the cost. When you buy the specific brand, you are just subsidizing their massive advertising budget for more fake videos. The real danger here goes way beyond your wallet. It is about the time you lose. If you are struggling to breathe, you do not need a mystery liquid from a social media ad. You need a pulmonologist. You need a person with a medical degree and a stethoscope, not a countdown timer on a website telling you to buy before the stock runs out. That sense of urgency is a trap. It is designed to stop you from thinking critically. They want you to act on fear and hope rather than facts. It targets the people who feel like they have run out of options. That is the cruelest part of the whole scheme. Serious lung conditions are not something you can DIY with a dropper. If a product sounds like it is defying the laws of biology, it probably is. Biology does not work in 17-hour sprints. Your body needs proper care and evidence-based treatment to manage long-term issues. Stay skeptical of anything that bypasses the medical establishment while claiming to do the work of a surgeon or a specialist. Your health is too valuable to gamble on an AI-generated miracle. Stick to the basics. Talk to your doctor. Do not let a clever edit and a deepfake voice convince you that there's a shortcut to healing. There is no such thing as a magic liquid that can regrow tissue overnight. True recovery takes time and real medical supervision. Clear out the noise and focus on what actually works for your body. Real healing is a marathon, not a 17-hour sprint sold to you by a computer-generated face. Stop letting these ads play with your emotions, and start talking to the professionals who actually understand the science of breathing.